Hi, let's continue. If you need an introduction to this channel, go to the trailer, or if you're lost, go to the table of contents. So, do you or someone you know have depression plus anxiety or anger, agitation, or attention problems? In this video, we'll look at mixed states, depression with subtle manic symptoms at the same time. In this playlist, you'll see that mixed states can look just like PTSD with depression, attention deficit with depression, or severe anxiety with depression. Unlike what the name implies, depression and mania are not bipolar, not like the North and the South Pole. They're more like a graph. A person can have full manic symptoms and full depressive symptoms at the same time, or a mild version of each, or a whole lot of depression and just a little manic stuff. This is a depressive mixed state. It looks like any combination is possible, but the one that really causes trouble is the depressive mixed state. It looks like depression, but antidepressants can make it worse. So obviously, it's important to make sure that a person who's clearly depressed is not mixed before starting an antidepressant. There's some controversy for depression with just a tiny bit of manic stuff going on. How much trouble can an antidepressant cause here? That's not clear. On this playlist, you'll find 3 videos on conditions whose symptoms look nearly identical to mixed states, so that it becomes very difficult to know for sure what a person actually has. First, there's PTSD with depression, so there's a video for that. There's also a patient example of this overlap problem with PTSD. Mixed states also overlap almost completely with ADD and ADHD with depression, so there's a video for that. And finally, it's also a mixed state overlap with anxiety with depression, particularly severe anxiety. There's a video for that. These 3 videos are all about the same because the problem is basically the same. Most importantly, there are videos on how you and your providers can cope with the diagnostic uncertainty that comes from these overlaps, and another video on how to approach treatment options when it's not clear what you have.